Welcome back to our channel, Technologymedia. Today, we're going to take you on a thrilling ride as we unveil the top 5 shocking moments caught on camera. Get ready to witness jaw-dropping events that will leave you speechless. Let's dive right in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Number 5 on our list, the Daredevil Stunt. Picture this, a fearless individual attempting an unimaginable stunt. Whether it's a death-defying jump, an insane acrobatic maneuver, or a mind-boggling trick, these daredevils are willing to push the limits of human capability. Get ready to hold your breath as we showcase some of the most shocking moments caught on camera during these adrenaline-pumping feats. Moving on to number 4, natural disasters unleashed. Mother Nature can be both awe-inspiring and terrifying. We've all seen the devastating power of earthquakes, hurricanes, tsunamis, and wildfires. But imagine capturing those moments firsthand. We'll share jaw-dropping footage of these natural disasters caught on camera, reminding us of the incredible force of nature and the importance of being prepared. Our third shocking moment takes us to the world of sports gone wrong. We all love watching athletes in their prime, giving it their all. But sometimes, unexpected mishaps occur that leave spectators in disbelief. From unfortunate accidents to unexpected collapses, we'll showcase some of the most shocking moments in sports history, reminding us of the unpredictable nature of competition. Brace yourselves for number 2, unbelievable animal encounters. Animals are fascinating creatures, but encounters with them can sometimes turn into hair-raising experiences. Whether it's a close encounter with a deadly predator, a mesmerizing interaction with a rare species, or an unexpected animal invasion, we'll present you with astonishing footage that captures the raw and unpredictable world of animals. Finally, our number 1 shocking moment caught on camera: human acts of bravery. This segment celebrates the indomitable spirit of the human race. We'll showcase heart-stopping rescues, heroic acts in the face of danger, and selfless deeds that restore our faith in humanity. These moments will leave you in awe of the courage and compassion displayed by ordinary individuals when faced with extraordinary circumstances. And there you have it, the top 5 shocking moments caught on camera. From daredevil stunts to natural disasters, sports mishaps to animal encounters, and acts of bravery, these moments remind us of the unpredictable nature of life and the incredible resilience of the human spirit. We hope you enjoyed this thrilling countdown. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing content. Until next time, stay shocked and stay tuned.